Okay, Shiba Inu. Whale gobbles 150 billion SHIB. We gotta talk about this right now because that's a lot of SHIB in somebody's wallet. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. And this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let's talk about this. Now, 150 billion SHIB moved to in a wallet. Whoa, okay. As per data from Etherscan, a whale has moved 150 billion SHIB to anonymous wallet, just to anonymous wallet, okay? The SHIB was transferred to a SHIB wallet address on crypto.com exchange. Even after the large transaction, the whale still has, look at this, 23.9 trillion SHIB in its wallet, which is a lot. So he's moving 150 billion SHIB to anonymous wallet, but still had 23.9 trillion SHIB in his wallet. Now, in the past week, another whale grabbed over 560 billion SHIB as the token spiked slightly. The whales could be anticipating a greater increase in SHIB value during the next week or in the future. This may be because this game is coming out, SHIB Eternity, October 6th release date was made public. Additional, somewhere in October, the Shibarium public beta testnet ought to be available. So there's things coming down the pipeline which giving these whales opportunity to move, buy, and hold a lot of Shiba Inu here. And you see it right there. At the time of writing this, or even time of doing this video, SHIB is trading around that price, which is a